Well. CSS gaming is the future. Did you know that the pix-to-pix neural network was implemented as a shader in a VR world? The trained model was represented as a texture and the shader read from it. I actually didn't know this, but that sounds amazing. I guess I should try the other thing we discussed. Yes, EXO, right. What I wanted to say is a GStreamer doesn't fix it. What I will maybe try also is I will probably try to downgrade the AMD graphics driver and just hope that it fixes this. It seems to be this particular version because I can't remember having this. I can't remember having such problems back then when I used Arch, so I guess. And also, I'll be damned. CSS rock, paper, scissors. How do you even read input? Like, what? I'll be on an idle meeting real quick. I'll be right back. I still forgot to take this sound out. I feel like I will never remember. So, as I wanted to say, as a programmer, you sometimes encounter situations where you feel like everything that you've known before has been shattered, and you know, you have to reevaluate your views of life. And I think I've learned a great deal with this. I learned that web technologies are not to be messed with. They are just black magic, and I feel like if I look at them too long, I'll get cursed. So let's just get back to create a 90s website. And let's not deal with this. But I still need a vaporwave background. Shader toy lets you read keyboard state as a texture, so that's how you can make interactive stuff. Okay, makes sense. Someone used the dial phone again. And how do people find ways to do this? I have no idea. Like, I seriously have no idea. You can make a keylogger in CSS. CSS works in mysterious ways. Yeah. Using something to do something was not intended to do can be a fun intellectual challenge. Yes, I agree with this. And it's also very much testing the limits, if that makes sense. But sometimes maybe you actually do have to stop and ask why. I mean, I guess it's more performant. Anyway, I'll be gone at least for a bit because I need to buy food. Okay, bye-bye, Mistran. I hope you have a nice remaining rest of the day. Could you say that the Mozilla Development Network is the Necronomicon then? Possibly. I feel like everything is like, there is a good reason why I usually don't touch web stuff, and it's exactly this. Like, there's no one way to do anything. Not even one way to do it right or something. It's not like, you know, this is the preferred way, I suppose. No, there's like, you could use JavaScript, or you can use CSS too if you know how to cast some magic. Why not also create just HTML sites again? Like, who needs CSS anyways? It's oh, look at that. And wow, the responsiveness was actually kind of impressing. Like, I just clicked on that and it plays. Cool. I also really like this effect. It has a very specific name, like when the image is in anime. I know it's recursion, but like there's a proper name for it, I suppose. I think I post about a problem in the OBS forum and see if anyone responds. Yep, I think that's actually a good idea. Maybe there is a way to fix this, I suppose. Use a non-seamless repeating texture as a background. You mean something like... I mean, this is seamless, but maybe something like this? This is also kind of 90s. But... I don't know. Also, why? Oh, of course, because I set the window to be on top of everything, so that's why it's above the... I want to say taskbar, but it's not the taskbar, it's a panel. But you know what? Screw it, it's a taskbar now. Right, so I was told that if I use bang cc something, that I can look for free stuff? Where? What was it again? Oh no, I forgot. Well, as always, I say Svelte is the web dev as it should be. Svelte? What? Sorry. I think it's called an infinity mirror. And yeah, that works too. Was most referring to the fact a lot of people use textures didn't repeat seamlessly back then. Oh, yeah, true. CC search. Thank you. CC search. Synthwave. Let's see what we can come up with. Out of topic, but the BGM shares the same melody as your Be Right Back music. Is it from the same audio pack album? Not from the same album, but from the same audio pack. I'm using Stream Beats for this. Like, oh wait, no, not Apple Music. They have their own website somewhere. StreamCloud Beats, Stream Beats. No, Streaming Beats. Beats. Hey, where's the website gone? Oh, whatever. It's Stream Beats. So I can write it in here. The thing that is currently playing is from the album Inu. Right, yeah, Inu. And the BRB music is just called... oh, it is Inu from the Lo-Fi. From the Lo-Fi sound pack, I should mention. And the Be Right Back music is Retrofuturism from the Hi-Fi music pack. Okay, so we have Synthwave. What? It's great to share melody like that, ties them together. Yep, it certainly does. It's just as sad that Retrofuturism is not necessarily mine. It's just something I said, okay, I'll use this as my theme I'll use this as my theme, I said one day. But yeah. Maybe, yeah, I said I'm still thinking about maybe I should actually commission a musician for an actual title theme or something, but this is something I can think about later on. Wait a second. This seems rather familiar. What is this? No. There is Demon Star. Was it Demon Star? Hey, you know, I'm a musician, just saying. I know, Pixel. I know. And believe me, I've thought about it. I've thought about commissioning so many people now. I'm just not necessarily sure how to proceed with this. But we will think about it. Sing the retrofuturism melody with la la las.
Not.
I will carefully decline this because this is kinda in before my karaoke stream. But yeah, I will carefully decline. I will give you your points back, but yeah, no, I will just politely reject. Any news on the karaoke? Yeah, I actually mentioned this before real quick. The last few days I had kind of an aching throat or pain in my throat. Thankfully it's gone now, but maybe to those who already know me a bit longer can maybe tell that my voice isn't like what it should be. So having set the karaoke stream in December may have been a bit too optimistic, but I do want to still have this stream in my vacation, so it will most likely be the first week of January. There you go. I will message you early enough. And you just slide into someone's DMs. So as I always do. Use the Goku image, can I commission you? Apparently Konami Stack Overflow 2022 is the year of desktop Linux. Oh, 22,022. Yeah. I have something to pin without green now. Ooh, cool. I may actually download all the pins again anyway, because pin redeem. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, it's a slime origin. Let me save this one real quick. I said let me save this one, please. What's going on now? 100%. So are you waiting? Are you waiting for me to say where? What? Why is this broken now? What's going on? Oh. Okay, so let me just put this real quick into my pins directory. And I suppose let me add it in VCFace. Give me a second, please. So that's props, and let me add. That's in home, SciByte, applications, VTube Studio. Oh, of course it lights up because VCFace has no connection anymore. There we go, here we go, and that is Roja Slime. There, ooh, no, that's clipping. Yep, there we go, perfect. Right. 2022, no really, how do you post link again? I will permit you. There we go. You can post a link now at the face. But seriously, 2022 is the year of Linux, desktop Linux. Thanks to the 2022 Stack Overflow developer survey, you can finally say 20 was the year of the Linux test. What? Steadily climbing, growth, blah blah blah. 2022, it is now 9% more than macOS. More than 1 million people gaming on Linux Stream Deck. Well, I mean, that's cool. I mean, yes, the Steam Deck, I guess makes sense because it does run Arch. Of course it does. So, I guess it does make sense that many people are actually using Linux now in one way or another. I mean, come on. This is so pedantic, I feel like, because most people have an Android phone anyway, so they're using Linux in their daily thing anyway. So, yes, it's not desktop, but it's still a computer, for heck's sake. But then again, you possibly can't tell that it's Linux. No, you can't. No, you can't. Except if you open a shell. But how do you open a shell without rooting it? Hello dude, happy to see you. How you doing? Welcome. And hello Owly, thank you for lurking. And thank you for the consume molten ice. Thank you for lurking, Rojan. I actually said I want to call you Roha. Well, I guess. I'm a sleepy dragon as usual. Well, better sleepy than sick, I suppose. Ha. Thanks for the shout out, Twin Dagger. Yeah, thank you for shouting out Owly and Duhu. Very much appreciated. I am so sorry. I'm absolutely not professional today. Like I forget everything. I'm so sorry. How long have I been streaming now anyway? Like I've been streaming since, okay, it's 2 hours and 18 minutes. Android barely counts as Linux, like how Mac OS X is Unix and it uses a modified Linux kernel. 17 minutes. You've been streaming for 17 minutes. And you want to know the best part about all of this? I can't. Sorry. I just can't mention this enough. I love spending time with all of you. I love chatting. I love laughing. I love doing the most random crap. I really do. I appreciate it so much, and I have so much fun with it. Which, however, of course means that our progress has been kind of bad. But yeah, you know what? I feel like this is not what streaming is about. Even if my streams are software and game development, like it's still just hanging out. It's just hanging out, just talking and having fun. And I'm really glad that this is the case. Like seriously. Thank you all for being here. I appreciate all of you. We love you too. Aw. Thank you. Okay, why can't I find anything regarding synthwave, like any particular background? Wait, it's all just chatting, always has been. Yes. There is a chatty tag in my, like, on my stream, and it's there for a very specific purpose. Like, I can talk for hours if it has to be. Anyways, Lurk, thank you for lurking, Owly. Pats for Sai, no pats for Roha. Like, pats for all of you. And I do enjoy spending time here too. Well, I'm glad that this is the case. Like, Owly, thank you so much for 5 bits. Very much appreciated. Like, seriously. And yeah, there's also a PHP tag, and I hope that's just you trolling. Do I look like I'm trolling? Do you think that you can escape PHP? Of course not, because now that you mentioned it, one thing we can actually implement is that particular text on top that says what my next stream is. Thank you for reminding me, Stefan. If you want to make big progress, streaming is not the way, but it's all about being able to do things in confident presence of others. Yep. Yep, exactly. And these are the best streams. Well, as said, I'm just very glad to have all of you. Seriously. Yeah, let's implement that text. Let's implement that text. Also not bad when you get stuck. True. So, in schedule we have PHP, and there is no is it? Query next entry. Yes. So that is a select starts at title description from schedule where ends at is greater than now. Order by starts at ascending limit 1. I think this should actually return the correct entry. In theory. So, you know, I can just test it. I can just connect and test. SSH. Oh, please. Please just do your stuff. Cool. Matrix. Oh, of course, because we named it Matrix. What horror? What horror is it? At times on UTC, at times on. Well, you see, this is what is required for time zone conversion. You see, you have to tell Postgres, to my knowledge at least, other than that it doesn't work, that this is in UTC, and then you want it in that particular time zone. I mean, So sudo Postgres, I think pSQL. Was it like that? I hope I'm right. Fun. I know, right? Okay, so that looks correct. What database was this? What database was this again? SciByte. It's just SciByte. Cool. So I don't even know why I moved this out. So connect to SciByte. And now we can actually test this query and just see, in theory, this should return this stream right now. Well, that worked splendidly. Then how about I just do like looks good. And I guess after and I guess after it ends it should take the next one. Yeah, okay, sure. Yeah. I guess that works. Cool. Except of course, it's not title, it's name. Good thing that I tested it before. So select starts at name description from schedule. Cool. Programming while keeping time and time zones in mind is very fun. Yep. Because all the times that you see on my schedule, which by the way, for those that haven't seen it yet, if I issue this command here real quick. First of all, the art from Cat is now in there and it looks so amazing. Once again, shout out to Cat for, I hope that's the right name? Yes. So yeah, that looks absolutely amazing. And secondly, as you can see, or possibly tell, this is so cool. I know, right? It looks so amazing. She has done such an incredible good job. And I wasn't thinking of any particular incident. Oh, I see. So anyway, and as you can possibly see or tell, the times are in UTC. Especially because it says it up there. So, but for my own convenience, whenever I edit this in my schedule admin page, I want it to be visible in, like, this time, in Vienna time, I guess. And yeah, this constitutes this horror. And this is not even half of it. Like, some of those queries are absolutely hot garbage. Like, look at the post query. The smugness is blinding me. What are you talking about? What are you talking about? Speaking about that, because I used it just now, Death Note just wanted to mention real quick, I've been using Starburst Go for like the whole stream right now, and it works well. It works good. So I guess now that it is also battle proven, I guess we can call it fully functional. Ha! Thanks for clapping. Well, you did your part too, please don't forget. And that R2 Chef's Kiss, yeah. Cat in general is an amazing artist. So, once again, if you can give her a follow, that would be most appreciated. As always, I guess. I'm sorry. So yeah, as I said, just look at this post query or statement, I guess. Like it inserts into schedule, and then I have to convert it to a timestamp, and then add times on UTC, at times on Europe Vienna. It's horrible. It's horrible. It's absolutely horrible. And don't forget to lick the tail. Exactly. Also, one thing why is this not capitalized? At time zone and at time zone. Seriously, why is this not weird? Usually I capitalize all of my SQL keywords, but okay, sure. So that works. Which means, in here... How do you do this again? Hey Adam, hello. How you doing? If you shout at the SQL statements, at the SQL server, it executes faster. I mean, why else would there be everything in all caps? And hi Adam, welcome. How are you doing? If I haven't asked this again. I swear, as soon as the leap motion arrives, I will dab every single time this plays. Schedule. In schedule we have an index, and exactly. So that... Ha! Not this time. PG query params with the get connection, DB connection, new database connector. Okay, so I need to remember how I designed this. So first of all, I need to require this. Which means... I guess? No. Wait, where are we exactly? Like, this is an index, this is here. So I need to go into schedule PHP database. So schedule PHP database, PHP, cool. Oh, hello Soul, and yes, dab all the way. How you doing? With the current streaming setup, the big delay between stream hearing the sound alert and the reaction is gone, which is nice. Seriously, it is? I mean, of course it is. Like, I worked really hard for this. Okay, let's create a new database connector. And... so PG query params with a DB get connection, blah, 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 blah. And then I just select... Right, database connector, query, next entry. And let's remove this. I'm doing well, Sai. Well, happy to hear this. And I'm good, hope you're well. I see you're doing PHP stuff. I've only ever done PHP in Laravel for work and I hate it. Trust me, I'm no PHP expert either. Like, I'm seriously not. I'm seriously not. PHP... I guess PHP is just the lesser evil, if that makes sense. It integrates rather well with HTML, so I guess it fits for what I'm doing. I guess. If result is null, die. No. In case the result fails. In case I get no result. I definitely do not want... Or do I? No. The website definitely should not just refuse. So if it's null, then we just ignore. PHP makes sense, JavaScript doesn't. And what's the issue with PHP? Well, you see, my neck, by the way. Oh man. What is the issue with PHP? Historical baggage. Historical baggage, historical slowness, and no, I guess that's it. Because of all the historical baggage, it's a very inconsistent language. Very inconsistent, and it's all over the place. It's really weird. PHP is the lesser evil. What is the alternative? Writing web server in C++? Close. Writing a web server in D. I hate all the web languages that I'm a web developer. What did I do wrong with my life? I hate Windows. I dislike working for it. Or I dislike working in it. I dislike, I just don't like Windows. So, my main job now is to write Windows applications. Primarily. What did I do wrong in my life? But it pays rent, so I'm content. Yeah, same. Okay, so in case result is not null, while line is PG fetch. How does this work again? I did that. There's only one line ever, so I guess line is PG fetch array. Why is this not? Oh, whatever. Result null PG SQL associative. Cool. Thank you for the stretchies and thank you for the water. And do I see another slime on you? Yes, Roha in particular. Take my leave for today. Have a good day, Rinyan. Thank you so much for stopping by, Twin. Thank you so much for modding too. Like, it's really much appreciated. Like, seriously. And yes, have a nice remaining rest of the evening. I hope you can relax. But the question is, did you already hate the languages before your job, or did you come to hate them after starting working? Well, for Mocha, I can't tell. For me, I just liked Windows before. And sometimes you attract the thing you hate the most. That is very true. Okay. Wait. If this is already an associative array, then we're done. Like, the only thing I need to do here is to declare this variable. So, how do I call it? I want it to be as easy to understand as possible. So, next stream data. I'll just define it as null for now, and in case it is the result is not null, I'll just set this. Do I have to close this? I can't remember, but there's a PG-free result, so wait. Cam, hello. Happy to see you. How you doing? While we're at it, once again, I do really have to get into the like proper way of just shouting out people. Cam is a really cool artist too, pixel artist if I remember correctly. If not, I'm deeply sorry. So yeah, also very cool. If you can follow them, that would be also most appreciated. Thank you for the sub, Defnal. Yeah, and Defnal said, oh my god, absolute Chad. Okay, and then we'll do a PG-free result with result. I just hope that whatever is in next stream data won't get freed with this too, but I don't think it will. So let's plop a PHP code block in here. Devnos champ, I'm Chad. Then how about a chat champ or a champ chat? Well, that just sounds like a name for a chimpanzee, doesn't it? Let me ease your burden. And I'll define it as null for now. Meanwhile, PHP doesn't care. A PogChamp. You could say. What are we working on today? What are we working on today? It's not quite done, but I'm trying to capture the 90s essence. And what I was currently doing is I want to add a line here that that says when my next stream is, just, you know, for good measure. It kind of embarrassed me. Okay, so the world's greatest website too. Do you mean the most amazing website on the internet? Oh, is the stream also live on that site? Yes, it is. Oida, hello. Happy to see you too. Let me give you a shout out too. Oida is also a great artist and another Austrian VTuber. So once again, please follow. Thanks. How you doing? I'm lurking since a while. Well, thank you so much for lurking. Very much appreciated. And Zai's revenge. Okay, anyway. So if next stream data is not null, then... Oida. I'm doing some cleaning while listening. Oh. Yeah, to be fair, I've been doing... Yeah. Wow. Wow! Yeah, my voice is not at the range it could be. Or wait. Yeah, this is the highest I can go. And this is the lowest. Yeah, okay. I do feel like there's a knot in my throat. I hope this corrects itself until like the karaoke stream, but we'll see. Okay, so in case this is not null, what then? I have starts at, ends at, name. I am foregoing the description, right? I'm not querying the description. No, starts at, name, description from... Oh, I don't have the end at... Okay. So, speaking of WoW, last week I actually saw someone stream Parodius. I suppose the safe version of Parodius, right? Everything else would be a bit spicy. Why am I so brain dead right now? There's a printf, right? Yes. Outputs a formatted string. Well, let's just do a p and another p. So we have pp, and then what does printf actually take? Does this take C-style format strings or? Yes, C-style format strings. PP, yes. Wait, no, it doesn't. Or does it? What is unsigned decimal number? Signed decimal number. Okay, interesting. I never seen you, but sure. So this is a string to time. If this already returns a string, then I guess I can just write next stream is about s at s and another s. Okay, and let's insert. Thank you for Lucky Mocha. I laugh at hearing pee-pee what I'm doing with my life. You're living life to the fullest. No, seriously. Next stream is about name. And then the description. And then the start set. I feel like the start set will just be a Unix time, like a Unix seconds thingy, but we'll see. A Unix seconds thingy, what's wrong with me? Okay, I've broken it. What did I do? Did I screw up the printf? Huh? What? Oh wait. Does the printf maybe take a param? No. No, it's a variadic. Where's the issue, please? I have to look into the logs. I have to log in again. Give me a second. I'm sure this can be dealt with swiftly. Right, and wait, error log time. Not only that, but where do I look? Where do I look after errors again? etc nginx, I think it was. No, not etc. var log nginx. Right. I also can't show this on stream for obvious reasons, sorry, but I don't want any IPs to be visible or something. So, okay. Fast CGI sent an error, PHP parse error, syntax error, unexpected DB connection. In Zybyte index PHP on line 26. Oh my god. I've been programming too much in Go, it seems like. Well, would you look at that? Okay, so catch Zybyte right after this ad break. Amazing. Amazing. Also, it's getting later. I hope you have a nice stream. CSI in chat. Yeah, thank you so much for stopping by, Pixel. Very much appreciated. And I hope you have a nice, I hope you have a nice night. And sleep well. Okay, so one cannot program so much in Go. That's what you think. Okay, so it seems like next stream data. It seems like next stream data is empty. Otherwise, it would. I love this hands-on debugging. So, stream info start, I guess, and let's just do a stream info end. This will, of course, yeah, as I imagined. Okay, so why are you null? You should be able to fetch. Like, you should definitely be able to fetch this. You don't take any parameters, so what's wrong? What is wrong? Next stream data for result not equals 0, not equals null. This is how you're supposed to do it, right? And then line is PG fetch array. Okay, sadly there's not a lot of debugging I think I can do in PHP, so I don't even know how like freeing works. Like, if I do a PG free result, does that mean that the associative array that is fetched with this is also freed? I don't know. This could be the reason. Is Roha a new heatsink? Hey Classy, happy to see you. Welcome, welcome, how you doing? And also a shout out for you while I'm at it. Once again, cool streamer, cool everything. Also, Yeah, a very valuable community member. I've been lurking since the start. Well, thank you so much. And no, accept the generosity. We have never heard of the Great X debug for PHP. It's hellishly good. Seriously? PHP X debug. Okay, no. No. You know what I'm gonna do? No. I'll just do the same thing that is done over there. Just plop this into here. I'll just remove the NZ. There we go. Do you output something now? No. Why? Why can't you fetch this? Like, what's wrong? PG fetch array with... Huh? Don't you have any results? No, wait, there's a print R, right. This of course means I have to look into the source code. No, wait. I mean, I guess. It's empty. I am legitimately confused. Like, I seriously am. So, is the query bad? Is my code bad? Like, anything? Is there any other query I can test for? Echo pre helps with print R. Well, that makes sense. Thank you. But for now, what's wrong? Query schedule select. But this takes parameters. I want... Wait! Okay, so guess what it was. Just guess. It's... Oh, that's... So we were talking about PHP being a bit icky. Well, here's the reason. But at least that works. Next stream is about homepage creation. Minimalism or maximalism will decide at Unix time. So I need to convert this Unix time. Or maybe I don't. What if I just take it like this? Yeah, that works. But no, that's... This is in UTC. Yeah. So next stream is about blah 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 at S UTC plus 0. Yes. I will put this somewhere different, like later down the line, but for now it's kind of important that it's here. Yes, perfect. I will probably also add tabs at the top, like, you know, home, stream, anything. You need a painful wallpaper. Not necessarily painful, but rather... You know what? You know what? Let me test something real quick. What? Okay, cool. I guess, sure. I forgot. I forgot that I right now only have like a quarter of my usual download speed, so that takes a little bit longer, but not all too much. Perfect. Right. So I want to test something. Real quick. This is actually something I have not tested yet. I don't have a free USB slot. I guess it's fine if I disconnect this. Sure. Up. Work. Just work, please. It works. So what I wanted to say is, you know, when we can't find a fitting wallpaper, I guess we're gonna make a fitting wallpaper. My, that is dusty. Ugh, I haven't touched the graphics tablet in like ages. Oh. Ah, no. Right, I need to disable that it works with fingers real quick. And just replace me with another slime. No, you're not replaceable, Gooey. You know this. Right, so I don't know, 640 by 480, 800 by 600. I guess we're talking about, yeah, I guess we're talking about 1997 here. So 800 by 600, and that's all you get. Who needs more resolution than this anyway? Nice. Let me just test real quick. Oh no. Oh no. Yes, the tablet works. But you want to know how the tablet works? The leftmost side of my tablet is on the left side of my left monitor, and the rightmost side is on the right side of my right monitor. So, oh my god, this sucks. Let me take a look real quick if I can... System settings. If I can change this real quick. If not, then I guess we just have to deal with it. Desktop effects, recent files, activities. Don't tell me. Don't tell me there's no... I distinctly remember KDE. Just... There should be settings in there. Spell check, display configuration, compositor. No. And tablet also yields no result. Heh. Okay, well, I guess. Does it not have settings? A multi-monitor on Linux has been great. Well, you see, it most certainly has settings. I remember KDE having settings. There's just one slight issue. Yeah, there's just one slight issue with all of this. I'm using Arch. So, I guess I have to deal with this for now. I'll just whip out a reference picture. Images, and we'll just take synthwave wallpaper. Yes, I'm gonna take this here as a reference. I guess I'm just gonna start drawing. But it says free. No, I'm committed. I am committed, and nothing's gonna stop me. So I guess that is. Oh my god, that is difficult. Oh, that is so difficult now. I guess that is a bit of a darker blue. Look around for Wacom settings, KDE in Arch. Wacom settings. I need to. Arch packages. Oh, I see. Arch package, Wacom settings. Well, there is at least Wacom utility. Graphical tablet configuration utility. That sounds reasonable. Can you please add this up? Please don't play something upstream. I do, once again, I do remember there being a setting in there. It's probably just, you know, some kind of configuration thing, but it's fine. It's totes fine. Like, we're gonna do this. We're gonna do this right here, right now. Even if it looks absolute crap, but that's what my homepage is all about, right? Do you guys remember Hans Peter? Well, Hans Peter remembers you. Okay, so let's go a bit more black here. Ah, oh, that is so finicky. Right. Let me... Where can I... Oh, up there. Ah. Cool. And now let's, I don't know, draw... I don't know, what is perspective? I don't know perspective. Last time I've met them, it was in school. Okay, yeah, that's why are we not painting in GIMP? Well, you see, quite simple. Krita is way better for drawing. Oh my god, this screws me up so bad. I think that Krita is a perspective grid. Listen, if I wanted to do this like legit and good, I wouldn't draw this for myself. I also kind of screwed up already by not using separate layers, but you know what? It's cool. I can salvage this, I guess. The question is now, how am I gonna fill this? Because I think the fill tool doesn't necessarily work that well with smooth lines, so I guess this does it. Yeah, good enough. Krita has some nice guides. I mean, Krita in general, I think, is kind of nice. Many artists that I know use Clip Studio Paint, and I also got recommended Clip Studio Paint in the beginning. But yeah, I feel like Krita is for the artistic purposes that I need it more than enough. After all, I'm not a professional artist in the slightest. Like, look at me. Just look at me. Is it stable these days, you mean Krita? I have at least not encountered any bugs or any crashes or something. It used to have a bit of crashing, but well, not anymore, I feel like. Ah, haha. You know what screws me up way more than perspective? If the... like that horizontal movement is like 10 times more than vertical. But we're almost done. We're almost done. I would like a gradient. This gradient I will do with the mouse. Like, who cares? I want a gradient here. Woke up now. Well, welcome back. I hope you slept well. That is the first color. Where? Ah, there's the second color. Is this the second color? I don't know. I don't understand. Like, what if I just create a second layer and just pick black? And just pick black and make a gradient out of this. Yeah. The post is pending approval. I'll link it to you when I know it's live so you can watch it too. Okay, thank you so much. Like, really, very much appreciate it. Yes. Yes. And now, let's make the sun. And then we're already finished with this drawing. Like, how can you not tell that it's vaporwave? I don't know. Okay, so that is a bit more yellowy. Oh no, how am I gonna draw a circle? How am I gonna draw a circle if this is like completely screwed up? Oh, what did I do? How about no? How am I gonna draw a circle? Okay, you know what? I'm gonna cheese it. I said I'm gonna cheese it. Krita, please. No, wait. Like this. No. Center? No. What am I doing? Looks good. Right. So BBB sent £7 billion, £1 million on a slight change of typeface in those boxes on the logo. What? Really? They did? Again, at least one pro used Krita with great effect. Yes, of course. I know quite a lot of like good artists that use Krita, but you know. And there's probably some Control-Alt-Shift combination that maintains aspect for circles. Yeah, maybe. Maybe. But you know what? It's cool. It's cool. Okay. Now let's rotate this down to red. I guess. Let's... I'm struggling so much. This is an amazing experience, let me tell you. Okay. Right, even more red. Am I allowed to send a link? Yes, after I permit you. Wait a second, please. There you go. You can post a link. Oh wait, no, I already put this particular orange here. So let me make this more green. And let's make it even more red. Or something like that, I don't know. I feel like that's good enough. Like, you can tell. Like, if you look at it from a distance, you can't possibly tell the difference, right? I mean, wait, no, there's actually one slight thing missing. Just one very slight thing. Bit like this, and let's just do this and that. I'm just doing it with the mouse now, like screw it. And let's make grids out of those. I don't know how I'm gonna make grids on the mountains, to be fair, but or something like that, I don't know. Once again, I'm sure this will look great. This will look absolutely fantastic. Perfect. See, that's what I meant. If you look at it from a distance and squint your eyes, you actually can't tell the difference. That's amazing. I'll take this. This will be the new background. I just need to save this real quick into projects, website, SciByte, images, and let's just save this as background.png. Once again, if it's PNG or not, I don't know. Or should I save it as a GIF? I should probably save this as a GIF, especially because of the limited color palette. So, background GIF. Saving as GIF will lose information from your image. Yeah, sure. Sure. Okay, now that this is saved, and also, let me take a look at the link real quick. Oh. Well, I guess those fonts... I guess those fonts were very worth it. If they told me the sky split will look at my window to check. Yeah, also true. It's like on 99.9 we'll say the first one from Google. Good job. Well, is it a good job? I don't know. But thank you for the stretch and for the drinks. Right, Jen. Remember to make the GIF only use web safe colors. Can I export it like this in Krita? Because I don't know. And dithering. Like, can I do... Oops. Can I do this in Krita? I don't know. I mean, for now, I'll just... The background will not be a linear gradient anymore, but rather... The background image is a URL to... I am in the right... Yeah, okay, so that is... Images... Background... Yes, flatten then convert to index using WebSafe palette. I think Krita should be able to do that. How? But I have no clue how to do this. No clue, I'm sorry. GIMP certainly can. True. I guess I can also always convert it later on. Then the background position is... How do you do this again? Like, how do you place a background image at the background and it shouldn't move when you scroll and all of this? I think it's fixed, right? Like background attachment fixed. I think that was it. And background repeat, no repeat. Was it like, was this already it? I feel like I'm missing something, but we'll see. Background position fixed, I think. Position? Because it didn't tell me for background position, but rather for background attachment. So, well, let me just take a look at it and we'll see. Look at this! It looks so shit. But the thing doesn't scale up, so background size, cover. Yes. You can't even see half of it. What was the other thing? It was cover and contain. Okay, contain is not it. So yeah, let's do cover. I'm gonna go lay down. We got weather coming in my joints and agony. I've had a wonderful stream, Sai. I hope everyone has a good day and catches some comfy vibes. Well, thank you for being here, Ruha. And yeah, please take care of yourself. And I hope you can also sleep well. Thank you for being here. And shit but authentic, and it looks so shit. Happy sign noises. Yeah, I don't know. I just don't know how serious I should take things. Like... Oh, welcome back, Enlin. So... I feel like I'm still missing a few things. First of all, having white as the background color for this doesn't look right. So, what background color shall we take? Also, I can move the tablet. I can remove the tablet again and put it back into its position to collect dust. New stuff. Perfect. 90s bitrate, of course it is. Of course it is 90.